Hey everyone, my name is Krista and this is a series that I like to call One Piece 4 Seasons. As someone who loves fashion, it can be very easy to buy pieces just because, oh, you think it looks good. But I think for me it's really important to pick up pieces that go with other things in my closet so I can easily mix and match them for a bunch of different seasons and wear them throughout the year. So in this series, I just want to inspire and show other people different ways that they can style pieces in their closet that they can hopefully get the most use out of. So for this first episode, I got 3 choices here. So this first dress is from Unif, and it's currently on their website right now, so you can still get it, but I really like it. Even though it's white, which is risky for me, I've really been able to keep it from getting stained, which is always great. So the thing I love about this is the length. It's a great length. You can easily dress it up, dress it down, and it's buttoned down, so you can wear it open, you can wear it closed. So this is the first option. Second option are these vintage Esprit like Bermuda shorts that I got from my mom. She said they were hers in like the 80s or the 90s, and they fit me perfectly. So they come with cute belt loops. I'm usually not someone who likes pleats, but I actually don't mind the pleats on this. And then the third option is this leopard. Is it leopard or cheetah? It's cheetah. Yes. This cheetah print fuzzy vest that I also got from my mom. It was hers back in the day. Yeah, just button downs, or not buttons, zips down the front. Super warm, super fuzzy. So this is option number 3. I think for this episode, I'm going to go with this jacket because right now in Melbourne it's cold on most days. This is definitely something that I'll be wearing a lot in the upcoming months. And then festive season in the States is popping off, so I think fuzzy vest would be something really fun because it definitely gets cold at night at a lot of music festivals. So this is something I feel like could be worn in winter, fall time now, and also in the spring, summer of the West. So yeah, so I'm gonna go pick out some pieces to style this for, and I'll be back. So I pulled all the outfits I want to try on. So we've got summer, winter, spring, and fall. So I'm gonna go try them on now. So this is the summer outfit. I absolutely love it. I think it's perfect because just because it's sunny outside does not mean that it's not windy and cold. So having a fuzzy vest is perfect if you're someone that gets cold pretty easily like me. So yeah, these shorts are from a small brand in Melbourne called High Rock Studios. I absolutely love them. I got them at their sample sale, so I got 2 for $15, which is such a steal. They're amazing quality, so if you're looking for like biker shorts that are really well made, sustainable, definitely a good brand to check out. This t-shirt is a vintage Green Day t-shirt. I'll do a cutaway so you can see more of what it looks like. But yeah, it's just a vintage t-shirt, and then obviously the vest and the sunglasses just from a boutique store in Melbourne, and shoes are the Reebok. If you're into shoes, you know exactly which ones these are. And I think they're perfect because there's like green in them, and then the off-white balances out like the neutral browns and tans of the vest. And so yeah, that's summer. So this is what I've got for spring so far. There's like, I don't know, a gap. These buttons create like a weird gap, and I need to get that fixed, or I need to fix it, but haven't done that yet. So I think I need a t-shirt that's gonna like cover it. And also I feel like white with this is like too predictable, you know? So we're gonna add something that's gonna make it a little bit more interesting. This is the spring look, and I definitely like it a lot better with this green top other than the white one underneath. I think it makes it look a lot more interesting and spring-like with these kind of bright colors. And pretty much everything in this outfit is secondhand except for the shoes. The shoes are from this brand called Mercer, Amsterdam, and they are part of their rerun collection, so everything is made out of recycled materials, and they're dyed with sustainable dye, so it has this really beautiful blue gradient that I'm obsessed with because blue is one of my favorite colors. And the skirt is from a store in Vietnam called Soho Style. When I went to go visit one of my friends who lived in Vietnam, one of her friends owns a store where she makes such beautiful pieces, and so this is part of a 2-piece set that I got. And then this top is secondhand. I got it from one of my friends who was getting rid of stuff. He let me pick out some stuff, so this is one of the things that I picked out. And then obviously the vest, and then this bag. You're gonna want to hear this. So it's a vintage Prada, and I got it for $10 at a garage sale. And I haven't gotten it checked to see if it's real yet, but I'm pretty sure it is because she told me she got it in Italy, and on the listing it said vintage designer. So I don't think she would sell fake. Maybe she would. I don't know. But I'm gonna go get it checked out, and that'll be really cool if it's real because I got it for $10, and I think it's really nice and structured, and I think it really adds an elevated, upscale, uptown girl element to the outfit. So I really feel like I could wear this to go shopping, to go sightseeing, hang out with people. But yeah, so there you go, there's spring. So I think this is gonna be the fall look because I really love it. And I'm thinking I'll probably go with combat boots, really seals the deal. So I'll go with these. So this is the fall outfit, and I'm obsessed. I love everything about this. This is something that I would probably wear to like an event, like a launch party, or like a gallery exhibition opening. I guess we'll start with the main attraction is this t-shirt. So I got it from this brand called St. Hamilton, and I believe they're based out of the UK, and they hand draw like one-of-one designs on like t-shirts, hoodies, jackets, shorts, pants, hats. So I really love that it's like unique and one of a kind. And this one, when I saw it, I was like, yep, I have to get it. Like the blooming flowers, the stars and everything on it. I was like, yep, mine. And the back has a really cool graphic as well. And the jacket is obviously this vest, and then these pants I got secondhand from a friend. They are just like corduroy pants from the Urban Outfitters BDG brand. Yeah, she's just getting rid of a bunch of stuff, and she let me pick some stuff out. So these fit perfectly, so you know I had to get them. And the shoes are from Doc Martens, and I actually have beef with these shoes right now because last time I wore them, I got 2 gnarly blisters on the back of my ankles, and I'm still not over it. So yeah, mainly shoes. We got some issues right now, but they need to be worn with this outfit. And then this bag finishes all off, and I love the versatility of this bag. You can wear it like across the shoulder, or sorry, not across the shoulder. You can wear it across the chest or over the shoulder if you want it to be like more hidden and not the main focus of your outfit. So I think that's just like perfect. And I love the tones of this outfit. Gives me like perfect fall vibes. So this is something that I would definitely wear. So yeah, this is the final look. So minus the bunching underneath here, we're gonna ignore that. I really do like how this look turned out. I think this is perfect for like a dinner, like a night dinner. You know, just going out with friends, you're going on a date. It's very simple, classy, and comfortable, and you still feel really warm. So obviously we got the vest. This like teddy jacket type thing. I actually thrifted it for literally 50 cents. So that was definitely a steal. So then this dress is this little black satin dress. It's from a store here in Melbourne called Loom Selects. She used to have a storefront, but I think the owner sold the building, so she had to move out, and she has not gotten a new location yet. So I don't think she's currently active, but yeah, this dress is from there. And then I think the Prada bag again is the perfect addition to this outfit because it really elevates it, you know, makes it look like it's a nice going out outfit. But even like a cute little mini purse would be really cute as well, because this one is kind of big for dinner. But yeah, you never know. You never know. What if you want to take leftovers? So yeah. And there you go. That's the end of the first episode of One Piece 4 Seasons. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope that you got inspired to take different pieces from your wardrobe and find different ways to style them for all 4 seasons, because I definitely think that it's possible, just as long as you have other pieces in your wardrobe that mix and match well together. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.